is up, chickens? What is with you? Hi, Silver. You're so pretty. I know y'all want out. What? Butterscotch, what are you doing on the water? Who said you could go up there? Who said? Okay. I swear, these chickens think they can do whatever they want. Not letting them out today because it'll be storming soon. Are you kidding me? I just cleaned these nesting boxes and y'all crap all in them. Really? Okay, whatever. Got 1, 2, 3. Where is it? One is it cracked? 4 and 5 and 6. Okay, good job, girls. Good job. All those eggs. Yeah, so pretty. Alrighty. Well, thanks for watching. Say bye to my crazy chickens. Isn't that right, Silver? Yeah.